Welcome back, guys, to my channel Comparuka. Today we talk about the best phone under 30k. The two are phone, the OnePlus Nord 2. This is the second gen of a Nord 2. The Nord 2 have a triple rear camera with a 650 megapixel IMX 767 processor with the best quality camera in the 30k price, with also a new one camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel micro camera. These also have backlight on a Gorilla Victus with a glass back. In a front display, these have 120 Hz Super AMOLED display with a new 10 HDR 10 8 bit per second with a 12,000 nit brightness. It also has 16 megapixel front rear camera. It have a MediaTek Helio 7 1200T processor. This is the best processor under 30k. This is against on the Snapdragon 870. These processors have a best quality for it. This processor is good for gaming like a BGMI Call of Duty. This is a OnePlus Nord 2 with an Oxygen new OS with a merge with Color OS. This is Oppo Color OS with merged to a new custom UI. This OnePlus Nord 2 also have the 65 watt fast charging that have so much fast as you like with a 4500 big battery. We also have an alert slider as our typical OnePlus phones with a plastic frame, inner box, 67 watt charger, type C to type C cable with a plastic case or a SIM ejector tool or quick start guide. This is a complete feeder for this phone for a who's like to use for a camera or photography or use as a primary phone for a UI who's have a software experience is good. This is a so fast speeding phone. The OnePlus Nord 2 have 4GB 128 27999 with a 6GB 128 with 8GB 128 with a 338 and a 12GB 338 with a 35,388. This is a so good phone as you like it. The OnePlus phone with you fun nothing to do. The OnePlus has never settled. This is a so good phone from a many years ago from a OnePlus. The next is about the Poco F3 GT. This is a rebranding phone of a Redmi K40. This is a G30 with a three colors with a yellow, black or silver. This is a phone is so good for a gaming person. This is a form of greatness design with a back panel with a glass back with a concave bevel, the comfort for a gaming swell. We have the Gorilla Glass Victus. We have the Gorilla Glass Victus with in a front type with the also have the 120Hz Super AMOLED HDR 10-bit processor display with 120Hz display. With the AMOLED display also have adaptive display with a 16 megapixel front rear camera. In the back have a 64 megapixel rear Sony IMX 778 camera. With the triple rear cameras have a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel micro camera. These phones also have a dual stereo speakers with surround sound 360 sound experience. For gaming processor is also have a game launcher with the MediaTek Helio 1200 processor, which also have in a side button, power key button, volume up or down button, IR plaster, dual stereo speakers, and also have a air trigger. This air trigger is not a normal air trigger. This is have a magnetic display. We, the question is which phone you to buy. Whose want a good experience in a software and a camera wise is a go for a OnePlus 2 is never upset you. Who have a gaming for play a BGMI like no better than Poco F3 GT. These price at 26,999 with a 6 128 with 820 128 is 28,999 and 12 128 is on a 30,999. These also have a studio but a gaming phone like this is so much. The conclusion to Tuno Dono phones are best in their segment. As you like gaming or software, you will choose a phone. So, best thank you guys. Please write